हेलो जी, सत श्री अकाल। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋ? मैं ठीक हाँ। I think Punjabi is my language. I will love to speak Punjabi, but अभी मुझे हिंदी आती है. So, I just wanted to say ਤੁਹਾਡਾ बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. मेरे previous video पे आप लोग का response was so nice and it felt so good कि so many people could relate to what I said. I mean, I know मैंने कई लोगों से कहा, कई लोगों से मैंने I just asked them when they message me that why don't you comment? But after some time, I just realized that was my ego talking. Y'all don't need to comment. It's okay. Personal messages are real cute. Just when you guys tell me कि हाँ तुम whenever you suggest me or you tell me कि हाँ this I could relate with this, and then you tell me your own experiences, it just feels so good, honestly. So I'm not going to feed my ego by asking you all to comment. Just if you could relate, message me. If you feel like commenting, comment. But just I love your support. So, very quickly, we'll get back to our lessons, and I'll start with the first one, which is never miss out on experiences. Okay, this is very important. I mean, if you ask me, मेरे को अंदर से ऐसा feel होता है I just want to try different things all the time. Especially in creative field, in art field, मेरा बहुत मन होता है मैं नई नई चीजें करूँ. And you have seen, if you follow me on my social media, I keep doing things. Since school times, for many programs, I was like the only junior and everybody else was a senior, and I was in many programs, I was like the loner. I kept standing alone and everybody used to have fun and everything. I just used to keep standing. I didn't even sit. It was, I was the awkward outsider in most of the programs, but still I kept doing them. And, that has given me so much confidence about, basically public speaking skills. It has, I just love being on stage, that adrenaline rush, that possibility of, something going wrong, and when something goes wrong, how do you say? I have never missed out on experiences. I took every experience that I could get. I've taken part in a variety of things. I have played
variety of characters. Like the first main character which I played was that of Kinnar. Then I played a schizophrenic maid, and then I played an old lady. Then I played a drunkard. I even played a little small kid.
so much fun. Plus, I got to go to so many places because of these programs that I took part in, and that has given me so much experience, and I have learned so much from them that I would totally recommend you all to grab every experience that you can, get every experience that you can, because these are the years. After this, you will not get a lot of chances. Secondly, yes, every setback is a push through, which means that when life pulls you back, when life puts you down, जब आप गिर जाते हैं या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको जिंदगी ने पीछे खींचा है, it's just because जिंदगी is going to launch you like a rocket. There's only so much shit can go down. After that, there will come a time when shit goes up, and when it goes up, it doesn't just goes up, it flies, and it takes you places. So like, wait for that time, wait for your push through. After that, of course, this is kind of the same. It's okay to fall down. It's important to get right back up. Not right back up, but it's important to get back up. जब एक पॉइंट आता है ऐसे लाइफ में जब सब चीज गड़बड़ होती है, तो यू जस्ट हैव टू, उस टाइम आपको क्या करना है, छोड़ दो, सब चीज छोड़ दो. जस्ट सिट डाउन, आराम से बैठ जाओ, ये अपने दिमाग में बैठा लो कि हाँ भाई अभी इस टाइम मेरा टाइम खराब चल रहा है. एक टाइम आएगा जब चीजें खराब होना रुक जाएंगी, तब आप उठिए तुरंत एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग टू मेक थिंग्स बेटर. इट्स योर जॉब, no one else's. Don't settle for anything. If you settle now, you'll suffer later. This is very important. I have had first-hand experience in this. कभी भी settle मत करो. If you know your worth, don't settle for anything less. जब आपको पता है कि नहीं, this kind of behavior is not for me.
I have to be treated like a queen. Then be treated like a queen. Be with the people who treat you like a queen.
Wait a minute.
But that does not mean become self-narcissist.
No, just just know your worth.
अगर आपने अभी सेटल कर लिया, अगर आपने अभी सोचा कि नहीं मेरा काम चल जाएगा, ठीक है, हो जाएगा, मैं कर लूंगी, नहीं होगा. No, बाद में जब अकल आएगी, तब आप सोचेंगे why did I settle? This was not for me. So just know it beforehand and do not settle.
Enjoy your solitude. Be a complete person on your own.
और जब आपको अकेला होना पड़ेगा, और अगर आप अकेले में खुद के साथ एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो no matter who comes in your life, you will never be complete.
ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Don't expect a fool to change. If there was scope of changing, you wouldn't still have been expecting. Do I need to say more? Very, 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 very important. When people show you who they are, believe them the first time. Do not whitewash it. Be careful about who you make memories with. Very important, something that I had to learn the hard way. Always be thoughtful of who you are creating memories with. Is that person worth it? No, then don't make special, important, different memories with them. Do not do it, because once shit goes down, those memories come back to haunt you like ghosts. Next one is, words are unbelievably empty. Focus on actions. They are full of everything you need to know. You know what that means. Words are unbelievably empty. कोई कुछ भी बोले, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है जब तक कि वो इंसान वो चीज करे ना. सिर्फ बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता है. Okay, this one is a long one and I hope you guys understand it and get it, because it's important. You think the truth will have supporters, but majority of the people just don't have it in them. So if you find someone who calls a spade, stand with them and never let them go. ये बहुत ही important है, because the majority of people have herd mentality. So अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ सच है आपके अंदर का, जो भी सच है या आपका जो भी सच है उसके बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टर्स होंगे just because वो सच है, that's bullshit. Majority of people will be with majority of people regardless of what's right or wrong. What's wrong is wrong, no matter how many reasons you have to justify it. Do wrong to others and you will be wronged. Karma will get back to you. Okay, here we are on our last lesson. Change is inevitable and so attachment is a disease. Practice detachment because precaution is better than cure. It is important that you stay as detached as possible. Detached does not mean that you are heartless or you're emotionless. No. Detached just means that your life does not depend on that thing, on that one thing. And here we are, ending all the lessons that 2019 taught me.
I know those are not 21 lessons. I have 21 lessons, but some lessons are hard to explain. Those are some lessons that you learn just when you experience.
You, and I hope and I wish that my lessons help you in life and guide you Fingers crossed. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like my video, comment your lessons or anything that you want to say. Subscribe to my channel and keep supporting.